the future of law is not about prestige. It's about freedom. Cheers.
Hottest party of the summer. You gotta get down here. Goodlawyer's on the yacht, baby. We're doing it.
It's super important to support locals. As another Calgary startup, I know all too well what we all have to do to make our companies strive and thrive.
It was great for us to be part of this event. Very fun, it's great, you can't go wrong. You're in the middle, you're on the water, meeting new friends, interacting with old friends as well, and building those connections and celebrating everything tech.
As you can tell from my smile, I'm at Goodlawyer's annual yacht party. We're out on the water right now in Toronto, and I'm so happy to meet so many great people, other lawyers, people from the Goodlawyer team, and also other clients and friends as well.